Welcome to the LMI Official Beats program, the live beat production. Today we'll be taking a sample from Fields and we'll be showing you the beat process through it, featuring Fortune Polite.
What's up, guys? So to start off the sample, I first start off drop some kicks. To make sure that these kicks stand out on their own, I couldn't forget to have the hi-hats into them. The hi-hats help me to help the kicks stand on their own level and also make sure that they're on key with the snare. So I added the snare to make sure that the snare stands on its own key with the sample itself, to not forget the mellowness of the sample. Continue to add some open hi-hats to still give it a hip-hop feel, but not forgetting that the sample on its own is mellow, so we can give it a little bit of a hip-hop feel to make it abroad. I continue to add some claps to give it a club feel, but still not forgetting that the sample is mellow. We have to have a little bit of some rim shots to make sure that they give it a hip-hop blend, but still not forget the mellowness of the sound. I added some flavor by adding some hi-hats that will run up, and then I didn't forget the 808, which I had changed in the fourth bar. Excuse that I didn't show that process of the beat, but I hope to show you the next one. I hope you guys did enjoy me creating this, and I hope you enjoy the beat further. Please enjoy yourself. Thank you.